Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you a totally and amazing chicken soup recipe. It's good to take when you have coughing fever in any season. So check out the recipe. First of all, I'm going to take a clove of garlic and a piece of ginger. I'm going to pound it. Also we need whole peppercorn, coriander, cumin. I'm also pound these masalas. Now I'm going to take a pot and add a oil. Then I'm going to add whole spice. The list of the spice you can see on the screen. I just stir it. Now I'm going to add chopped onion, and stir the onion. After a while, I'm going to add pounded ginger garlic. If you use a fresh ginger garlic, it's give an amazing aroma to your soup. Now I'm going to add green chili, chopped green chili. Now I'm going to add curry leaves. It's give a amazing taste to your soup. Now I'm going to add a water. Now I'm going to add chopped tomato, a roughly chopped tomato. Now I'm adding turmeric and salt. You can add a salt at your taste. Now then I'm going to add chicken. I'm going to use a chicken with bones. It's give you a very tasty flavor. Then stir it. And in the end, I'm going to add crushed masala, now mix all the ingredients. Then add water. While sour comes, I'm going to cover it and cook it at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now cover it. Chicken soup is done and the aroma is amazing. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and sprinkle the green coriander, and now I'm going to dish out this super tasty soup. It's look very yummy and the taste is awesome. Here is go, amazing soup is ready to serve. You can enjoy it in any time. This is the great addition in your soup menu. It is South Indian soup recipe. I'm going to enjoy my lunch time with delicious soup. You also enjoy it. See you next time. Bye.